Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha from the All India Trinamool Congress from Krishnanagar, West Bengal. This is a message for our Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, our dear President, Draupadi Murmu Ji. Madam President, you came to Bengal today and unfortunately you chose to parrot on the eve of an election the words of the BJP. When you read out the President's address in Parliament during the joint session, you have to read out what the BJP government writes for you. We understand that, and because we respect you, we listen to it. But today, you came to Bengal not for a program that was organized by the state government. You came for a private program organized by a private organization. The West Bengal government was not responsible for the arrangement of this program. In spite of that, the West Bengal government did a security briefing with your office 3 days ago, and the district magistrate and the police made it amply clear that the site and the arrangements were not in accordance with the presidential visit. In spite of that, your office and you deemed it fit to come to Bengal. And then today, you find that the arrangements were not up to your standard, even though the West Bengal government accorded you every protocol that was necessary. We didn't invite you for this program and we were not responsible for the arrangements. Yet, after this program, you chose to stand on the soil of Bengal and to make completely unfounded, untrue allegations about Bengal and about how the Adivasis and tribals live in Bengal. May I remind you that ever since you have become the first Lady Adivasi Tribal President of India, the number of atrocities in BJP-ruled states on tribals, especially on tribal women, have jumped manifold. You have chosen to keep absolutely mum about all of them. When tribal women were raped and stripped naked and paraded through the streets of Manipur, you didn't say anything. When tribal people were urinated on in Madhya Pradesh, you didn't say anything. When in your home state, Orissa, which is home to about 8 to 9 lakh Christian Adivasis, and in the last 18 months, the atrocities on them have jumped manifold, so much so that there have been documented cases of them not being allowed to bury their dead and being forced to convert and change their Christian rituals for other rituals. You didn't say anything then, and today you come to the soil of Bengal and you are parroting what the BJP says 3 weeks before an election. We respect you. We respect your chair. But Madam President, courtesy begets courtesy. Do not think you can come to our soil and insult our people and lie about what our government is doing and expect us to keep quiet. Please, look within yourself, look within your conscience and do your chair proud. Do not parrot the words of the BJP. It doesn't behove you, Madam President. Thank you.